To find Charles Schwab's DTC number, start by understanding what a DTC number is. The DTC number, or Depository Trust Company number, is a unique identifier assigned to brokerage firms to facilitate the electronic transfer of securities. Charles Schwab is one of the largest brokerage firms in the United States, so knowing their DTC number is essential for any transactions involving other financial institutions or for transferring assets. One of the easiest ways to find the DTC number for Charles Schwab is to visit their official website. Navigate to the customer service or support section where they often provide contact information and resources. Alternatively, you can directly search for Charles Schwab DTC number on a search engine, and you should be able to find various reliable sources that list this information. Make sure to verify the source to ensure you're getting accurate and current data. If you prefer a more personal approach, you can also call Charles Schwab's customer service. The representatives are trained to assist with inquiries like this and can provide you with the DTC number upon request. Be prepared to provide them with your account information for verification purposes, as they take security seriously and want to protect your account. Lastly, if you have any documentation related to your Charles Schwab account, such as your account statement or welcome letter, the DTC number may also be listed there. Checking your paperwork can save you time and provide you with the information you need quickly. Once you have the DTC number, you can proceed with your transaction or investment without any issues.